Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you how can you make a column sticky on a scroll. Let me show you a demo first of all. So here you can see, just focus on the left hand side. So here you can see this side is not moving, this is sticky. On the right hand side my column is moving. Here you can see, here it is. So let me show you how can you make this. So now let me refresh this page. So here you can see everything is moving now. So let me show you how can we make the left hand side sticky. So I will click on edit with Elementor here. Now I will show you how can we make the left hand side sticky. So I will show you the design part as well. So how we make these containers. So I have taken two containers. So you can see we have the full width on the, when you click on 6 dots, I will go to the advanced tab here. So you can see I have given the 50 padding from top, right, bottom and left. Here you can see, and I have inserted, here you can see the width on the right hand side is 75, on the left hand side it is 25. So don't worry about the design, so you can make it how you want it. It's totally up to you. So just click on the left hand column. So just click on this container here and then go to the advanced tab, and here just go to the motion effects, and from here click on sticky. Just make sure if you want to make it sticky on top or bottom, it's totally up to you. So I will make it on top. So here you can see, and my sticky offset is 100, effects offset is 3. So you can see here it is. So if you want to, now you can see when I scroll down, so it's not inside the column. Here you can see. So I want to make it inside the column. So make it stay in column. So now you can see here it is. And then just click on publish here. And then just view the page. So here you can see, here it is. Now it's looking good. So if you face overlapping issues with the bottom container, just make sure click on here on the left hand side container and go to the layout and make the z index here. For example, I will make it 5, and make sure the bottom container z index is always greater than from the above container. So just make sure, just go to the layout here and make the z index here 6. So here 6 dots, advance, and z index here 6. On the left hand side here the z index is 5. So I will click on publish if you face any overlapping issues. So you can see here it is same as it is. So now if I click on rooms, so the rooms will appear, main building. So if you want to make it something like this, let me show you how I did it. So just click on this button. Here you can see the link is Ash Rooms, and I have given the button ID BUT11, and then I just go to this inner container here. So here you can see the rooms. Just click on this inner container and just go to the advanced tab, and here in CSS ID just write rooms, and here with Ash in link rooms. So that's how you can make this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, kindly ask in the comment section. Kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.